Hey magnet motor fans, I'm taking a little time out. Actually, I'm in the process of building another magnet motor, and this piece of wood will be its base. But I've been seeing all these videos on JouleThiefs, and I just had to try one. So I made a simple JouleThief, and this is an old battery here that had a little over 1 volt. And it's lighting up about, I don't know, 30 LEDs. And this is a simple JouleThief circuit that many people have described. It's got a little toroid coil that came out of a CFL bulb base and a small transistor. I think it's 2222, and a resistor there. This circuit's all over the internet, but this is a simple one, and I just wanted to try it. And I had some fun with this, and it'll light various LEDs. And then I thought, well, if it does that, and it actually runs on a battery I have that has just about half a volt. So I decided, well, let's see what else I can get to run this thing. So I took some salt water, that's what's in this glass here, a little piece of copper, and a piece of magnesium, and it actually won't run these 30 LEDs, but it'll run these other 2 LEDs that I have here. So I'm going to hook them up. Get this one out. And let's hook up some negative goes over here. And this is a piece of magnesium, a little magnesium rod. So I've got some about a cup of salt water in this glass. It's got maybe a couple of tablespoons of salt water in it, a piece of copper and a piece of magnesium, and as you can see, there's a couple of little LEDs here being lit up. Not real bright. But I'm sure this setup here would probably run for a year or two if I just let it sit there. I'm going to turn out the light for a second so you can see the LEDs. They're pretty decent brightness. So I'm sure I'll do some more experimenting with these. I've gotten some iron oxide and some resin, so I'm going to try making some larger ferrite cores, and we'll see what happens. These are a lot of fun, real simple to make. In fact, I have the circuit. Hold on again, I left it in the kitchen. It's a simple JouleThief circuit. It's got an NPN transistor, a 1K resistor, LED, and a little toroid coil. It's got about 10 turns around that little core there. There's, of course, I wound them both at the same time. and these dots mean that the opposite ends are hooked up. Actually, you take the start and the end and you hook them together, and that's where the plus goes. More to come.